It's time to do more. At Trimble, our goal is simple: to find ways to make it faster and easier for you to do your job. Ultimately, that means more tools, more productivity, and even more deliverables. What's more, we've made dramatic improvements across the entire range of geospatial solutions. With more options to choose from, you'll save more time in both the field and the office. We've made changes across our GNSS, imaging, and total stations portfolio, not to mention almost all of our cloud, field, and office software offerings. Now, the only question is this: what will you do with more?
travel on. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore, where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down a garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the Copper Pass have been
Out in the field, some days are a piece of cake. And then there are the other days. Days when the next point you have to measure is under 5 inches of mud, or 3 feet of snow. Days when the terrain is uneven and the heat is unbearable. When the hours are long, the equipment is heavy, and your back is killing you. When you can't get a signal in the canyon, but tough luck, you're gonna have to figure it out anyway. When you're 4 hours from civilization, and not a spare battery in sight. It's for times like these that we created the all-new Trimble R10 GNSS receiver. It's waterproof, sandproof, shockproof. How the heck am I supposed to find a signal out here proof? The Trimble R10. Simpler, smaller, and more powerful. It's the next generation of surveying technology from Trimble. Made for people like you, who are out there measuring the boundaries. And pushing them. See more of the Trimble R10 at trimble.com/R10 Showcase.
Whether you're a GIS professional or a surveyor, here's a new way to collect geographic and spatial data quickly and easily. The versatile Trimble R2 GNSS receiver. Thanks to advanced Trimble technology, the R2 gives you the flexibility to work the way you want. The flexibility to select the accuracy and the GNSS performance level that suits your application. The flexibility to collect accurate data with your smartphone, tablet, or a Trimble handheld. And the flexibility to operate it attached to a pole, backpack, or a vehicle. With the R2, you can also select correction sources to match your needs, ranging from traditional RTK corrections or VRS networks to SVAS and satellite or IP network delivered Trimble RTX. Whether you're capturing GIS field asset data or carrying out precision survey measurements, the dependable Trimble R2 will work as hard as you do. And you can trust the Trimble R2 receiver to provide reliable data even in challenging environments. Once you're finished in the field, Trimble software makes it easy for you to process the data in the office, providing you with rich, high-quality deliverables. And that's just what you'd expect from the versatile, durable R2 GNSS receiver from Trimble.
green light, obviously, you know, over the red light, it's always more visible. And it holds tighter too.
I definitely would recommend the LT58. You got basically 3 lasers in one. The size, being so small and compact, is awesome.
You notice the shock and then you see it playing itself out, and you continue to go on with not waiting again for it to reset itself up.
For what we do, you know, it's the best laser I've ever used.
You have a great product, and I endorse it every chance I get.
One size fits all is no longer acceptable in today's complex world. Survey and engineering organizations vary in size, capability, customers, and industry. The requirements are expanding, becoming more visual and complex because more is being done with the spatial data they provide. We at Trimble recognize this fact and that the needs for each organization is different. What's most important to us is that the choice is yours. We'll help you figure out what you need for what your business is trying to accomplish. It's not going to be the same for everyone, and we recognize that. That's why we aim to have the largest portfolio composed of the best technology we can offer you.
Have you ever rented equipment that you already had? Ever rescheduled crews because you thought they were the only ones available with the right tools for the job? We've introduced a new equipment tracking solution so you can track your total stations in real time 24/7. To enable competitive productivity, you need to save time in the field and office by streamlining workflows and eliminating time-consuming steps. Sometimes you actually speed up the whole process by collecting more data with scanning. We've simplified the scanning workflow by including scanning in the S7 total station and new scanning features in the TX8. Time to deliverable is reduced with workflow improvements in Trimble RealWorks, which enable faster creation of floor plans and modeling of facilities and pipelines.
Configuration options in our total stations, GNSS, and UAS platforms combined with our software ensure that you get the solution you need for your application. Within those configurations, there's also the added protection for future flexibility should you need it. You'll see a trend of new and enhanced imaging outputs like orthomosaics, 2D and 3D models. Now you can create highly accurate dense reconstruction point clouds without a scanner. All it takes is the Trimble V10 and Trimble Business Center. You'll also notice we've added greater modeling capabilities so that you can produce much more accurate models of power lines, pipelines, and industrial facilities. And brand new is a complete storage tank inspection report in Trimble RealWorks. You'll also notice significant improvements in our vision and scanning solutions. With these new and enhanced deliverables, you'll be able to provide additional value for your clients, helping all involved stand out from the competition.
The bottom line is you have asked for more, and we have delivered. This will provide you with more capability, more productivity, more deliverables to more customers. It's time to do more. More is better.
Introducing Trimble InSphere, the online geospatial information management solution that will transform the way you work. From the experts in geospatial solutions, Trimble InSphere provides a common cloud-based platform for the central management of geospatial applications, data, and services. With Trimble InSphere, you have access to a suite of integrated solutions, including Data Manager, Equipment Manager, TerraFlex, and Trimble Access Services. When you need a central place for everything, Trimble InSphere is there for you and your organization. One platform, centrally managed, multiple applications. You're in control. Sign up for your free trial today.